From loan planning to closing day, RichmondCustomHomes.com helps you make confident decisions. A VA construction loan is a powerful option designed specifically for eligible veterans and active duty service members who want to build a home instead of buying one. This loan allows you to finance the land, construction, and permanent mortgage into one streamlined loan, often with zero down payment, competitive interest rates, and no private mortgage insurance. During construction, funds are released in stages as the home is built, and many VA construction loans convert automatically into a permanent VA mortgage once construction is complete. While the process does require approved builders, detailed plans, and lender expertise, it removes many of the financial barriers veterans face when building a custom home. Credit, income, and VA entitlement still matter, but these loans are structured to support long-term affordability and stability. If you're considering building a custom home using your VA benefits, understanding how a VA construction loan works can help you move forward with confidence and clarity. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 11106478042128663, Dwayne at coast2coastmall.com, and visit RichmondCustomHomes.com.